Weybridge. Calling at Vauxhall, Queenstown Road, Clapham Junction, Wandsworth Town, Putney, Barnes, Barnesbridge, Chiswick, Hewbridge, Brentford, Syon Lane, Isleworth, Hounslow, Feltham, Ashford, Surrey, Staines, Egham, Virginia Water, Chertsey, Addlestone, and
Weybridge. Thank you, love.
There is just a cleaner.
We leaving. I might
Welcome
drive.
aboard.
I might press twice.
Welcome aboard.
Wow,
John.
this sounds different.
Welcome aboard the Southwestern Railway, Class 707 to Weybridge.
Calling at
Vauxhall,
Queenstown Road, and
Battersea.
Clapham Junction.
and
Bye,
stations
Waterloo.
to-
See you this
Good morning,
afternoon.
ladies and gentlemen, this is your guard speaking. Welcome aboard the Southwestern Railway service to Weybridge via Hounslow and Isleworth.
Isleworth.
I'm located in the middle section of this 10-car train, so please do all.
We're in the very back.
Safety information is displayed in our coaches.
Oh, you need that.
Please do keep all your personal items.
No, we
to your
don't.
full size.
Well, it's a different one. It's
If you see
the
anything suspicious,
ex-Euro
please
style
report it to myself
platforms.
or any member of
That's the older rest. That's the rest of the old
The
abandoned
next stop for this
platforms.
service will be Vauxhall. Please
You
mind
missed
the
it.
gap
I'll
between the
send it to you
train
later.
and- Thank you.
It's definitely going to rain.
Yep. Class 455
How
versus
weird. We just
450.
been through Vauxhall now.
Well, we're now going to stop there.
Yeah.
Shush, I want this to go on YouTube.
That's why I'm whispering. Hello, mind the gap, please. We're on the class
707.
707.
Southwestern Railway.
And people, YouTubers, can you guess what the weather's doing? Is it A, snowing, B, cloudy, or C, sunny? Please comment below.
Will it be B? They're not that stupid.
What if Noel said A, snowing, you'd be like,
No. It's usually on this building. That one. It's not there anymore.
maybe it's moved.
Good.
I've got my phone ready for Vauxhall.
I have as well. Oh yeah.
The next stop is Vauxhall.
Vauxhall.com.
We're in the second to last carriage from the back.
We're on coach 10.
9 actually. That's 10 through there.
Oh, yeah.
The next station
Is
is Vauxhall.
Vauxhall.
Downstairs, change for the Victoria Line. The most frequent service in the world.
Vauxhall. Sign. Come
It's
on.
the other way around. There.
There's one.
Vauxhall, Southwestern Railway.
Tick.
Tick. Bye bye, Victoria Line.
Bye bye, Miles.
This really does have good acceleration. But like the Thames Link trains that we're about to see.
This train is for
Weybridge.
Weybridge. The next station is Queenstown Road.
About to see. The old train versus the new train. Come on, class 7 and 7. Oh, flat roof. What happened to that one?
Maybe it broke, Miles.
Huh. Well, maybe that car has been damaged and they've fixed it, but not bothered about the roof. How weird.
So what train do we have to go at Clapham?
The 11:48. Yeah, from platform 15.
Oh, 11:30 Miles. We will. We've done it before.
Have we? Well,
Yeah.
we did. The Southern service was
The
there.
next stop is Queenstown Road.
Battersea.
No, it doesn't stop at Battersea.
It's Queenstown Road in brackets Battersea. That's how I pronounce it. Good. Queenstown Road in brackets Battersea.
Tick.
Tick.
Now we are stopping at Clapham again.
Well, the last time we passed through. This time we're stopping.
This
I bet-
train is for Weybridge. The next station is Clapham Junction.
Sam Nicholson.
Yep. I think Clapham's like, no more miles changing it. No more Charlie and Miles changing at Clapham. Thank God for that. Apparently there must be a signal failure on the news. This is Clapham Junction. I wonder if Charlie and Miles are going to come through. We are now at Clapham Junction. Look, here we go again. People at Clapham Junction.
No. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The next stop is
It's Clapham
Clapham
Junction.
where you can change for services to
11:32.
London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Brighton, Kensington Olympia, and Wilson
The
Junction.
London Overground's working. Right. What are we coming into? We have to go from this platform all the way over to 15.
We won't
We're on
make it.
platform 5, so we need to jump 10 platforms. Oh, welcome to Clapham.
No.
Other way, mate.
Because I have it no.
Other way.
I ain't in no so.
This is West Byfleet. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Byfleet and New Hall. Station is Byfleet and New Hall. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. This train is for London Waterloo. The
Hello,
next station
class
is
701.
Weybridge.
Horrible train. Yes! Get in, I'm so getting that train. Yes! Getting a 707. Get in. Just there with withdrawing them soon. Don't.
The next station is Weybridge. Change here.
There it is. Addlestone, Chertsey, Virginia Water, Egham, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Feltham, Hounslow, Isleworth, Sion Lane, Bradford, Weybridge, Chiswick, Barnes Bridge, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Battersea. Welcome to your Southwestern Railway service 70 class 707, London Waterloo to London Waterloo. See you,
This train
Weybridge.
is for London Waterloo. The next station is Addlestone.
If you're well familiar with Arriva Trans Wales, which is nowadays Transport for Wales, you would know what that voice is. Oh yes, she's from Arriva Trans Wales, which is nowadays Transport for Wales. There's the other end of that curve before you reach Weybridge.
The next stop is Addlestone. If you wish to leave the train at Addlestone,
You've honestly got to be kidding me, mate. Hey, Yowie, look what I done found. Plastic trains. By 707. Bloody miss you. Brilliant. Rubbish. Have fun when you withdraw on South Eastern. I will bloody miss you, 707. Yes, 707. That time. Shutdown. Hey, there it is.
Platform 10 for the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
I missed that. Yeah, there we go. Tonight, a woman panics.
Samaritans.org/Small Saves Lives.
Customer announcement Night Walkers. For more information, please visit southwesternrailway.com. This station is now part of the Station Watch scheme, which is being piloted across Southwestern Railway to increase your security on 0800 405 040 or by text 61016. In emergency, always dial 999. Thank you.
There goes the compressor.